Hello viewers, I am Mahesh Kumar Sharma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss habeas corpus. The paper is written on one of your writs provided in Indian Constitution. Habeas corpus. The paper deals with several questions like that is what is the use of this writ, its history, who can apply it, and the case deal with his provisions. Basically, it is both fundamental as well as constitutional right, which provides people quick remedy against the unlawful and or illegal detentions. We can file writ of habeas corpus under Article 32 or under Article 226 as well, which is dealt by Supreme Court and High Court respectively. Habeas corpus safeguards us from the unlawful detention not only by authorities but also from any individual. It is a basic fundamental right and also known as the heart and soul of the Constitution. In recent years, it is most used petition due to the protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act. There are many landmark judgments where are discussed in the paper. Introduction. The literal meaning of habeas corpus is to produce the body. Writ is a provision of in your Indian Constitution under Article 32 and Article 226. The motive of this provision is to provide people right to directly move to the Supreme Court under Article 32 or infringement of any fundamental rights, and we can also move to the High Court regarding the writ whenever is when there is infringement of fundamental right as well as other right under the Indian Constitution. The area of writ under High Court is more than the Supreme Court, as Supreme Court only has power regarding fundamental right given in Part 3rd of Indian Constitution. There are five types of writ: habeas corpus, mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari, prohibition. In this paper as in this paper we will talk about habeas corpus. According to this writ is if anybody is detained without legal notice, then we can file a writ petition. After filing the petition, the court will ask the authority to produce the body and question for what reason the person is detained for. If the reason is legal, then no action will be taken. But if the detention is for illegal reason, then the court will order them to release to detained person. The aim of the provision habeas corpus is to provide freedom to those illegally detained persons. Also, this immediately release the detention person because the fundamental rights gets infringed, which is personal liberty. This provision can be used against state as well as individual also. Basically, the court directs the authority or any individual to justify this detention. Thank you.